Hi everyone, we're Jack and Annabel, and today we are sound deadening our 2020 Volkswagen Crafter.
We didn't want to use a lot of sound deadening, so we just brought one pack of Dead Ezy from Dodo Mat.
Apologies for the lighting, but essentially we cut the sheets to the correct size and peeled off the sticky backside. We then stuck it onto the panel, making sure to only cover about 30 to 40%.
This pack was not enough for our entire van, as it's a long wheelbase, but that was enough for us as we didn't want to add too much extra weight to the build.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one where we move on to insulating the van. See you soon.